Hello. Today we're going to take this topic for IELTS Writing Task 2 and turn it into this introduction. So when we answer the question, we have to make sure we clearly answer the question. I would say something like, I agree with this statement, or I strongly agree with this statement. And then we want to look at the topic and see what key words we can paraphrase. So when I look at this topic and I see the word children, I can use another word like young people. Unhealthy lifestyle, I can say, do not have a healthy lifestyle. And where it says both schools and parents are responsible for, I can change this to parents and schools both have a responsibility for. When it says solving this problem, I can say finding solutions to this problem. So my sample introduction might look like this. Nowadays, a lot of young people do not have a healthy lifestyle. Parents and schools both have a responsibility for finding a solution to this problem. I agree with this statement. So if I am telling the reader something that someone else has said, and I'll be responding to it, of course, in the body paragraphs, then I should use reported speech. So the one little alteration that I would make is, some people say that a lot of young people do not have a healthy lifestyle. Parents and schools both have a responsibility for finding a solution to this problem. I agree with this statement. So that's it. That is how I would handle an introduction for IELTS Writing Task 2. If you're interested in learning more about writing introductions for IELTS Writing Task 2 or other topics related to the IELTS exam, why not hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos? So that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.